Hi, and welcome to MSBA 6320, Data Management, Databases, and Data Warehousing. My name is Vedran Lelas, and I'm the instructor for this class. This is the first in a series of video-based lessons that will introduce the class by going over its main element, from course objectives and expectations to grade breakdown and academic integrity. Whether we are consciously aware or not, databases are everywhere in today's technologically advanced societies. Although most business analytics graduates do not go out and become professional database developers, it is important to know the basics so you can better communicate with database administrators and programmers and develop further some of the important life skills such as patience, perseverance, and grit. Hopefully, there will be days when you live and have some fun with it. The major objective of this class is to teach you basic relational database and data warehousing concepts that will allow you to build simple data and dimensional models and gain practical experience with the specific database management systems for database implementation. In the process of doing so, you will develop appreciation for professional database designers, developers, and administrators, and be able to understand through personal experience some of the challenges they face when developing production-grade systems. In addition to a little over 2 hours of class time per week, you're expected to spend another 6 to 7 hours getting ready for the class and working on assigned problems. You can also expect to get a lot of assistance during class and one-on-one help during office hours. This is an extremely hands-on class with heavy computer use, emphasizing learning how to work with databases by doing it. Most of the database examples come from the textbooks, which are optional but highly recommended. We will spend a significant portion of the class time working through the problems from the textbooks, sitting at a computer, and working with a variety of software tools. Although the class is not graded on the curve, I will make occasional borderline grade adjustments in your favor. Please remember that the grade of C is defined as meeting all course expectations. To get an A, you have to be able to demonstrate exceptional skill by solving more difficult database problems on both assignments and exams. After watching each video lesson, you will need to complete a relatively quick multiple-choice assessment quiz before coming to class. Then there will be our problem-solving database assignments, worth more than assessment quizzes, but less than the case, midterms, and the final exam. Portion of this class time will be spent working on and getting help with homework assignments, as well as reviewing and preparing for the exams. Assessments are designed to quiz you on what you learned by working through the optional chapters and video lessons. There will be 8 of those, worth 10 points or 1.25 points each. All of the assessments are single attempt with immediate feedback, and you have about a week to complete each of them. So please take it seriously. They are relatively small but significant part of your grade. Homework assignments, completed mostly outside of the class, are at the heart of the learning process. They consist of a number of chapter problems, from easier to more difficult ones, and are the key to development of our main course objectives, which is applying basic database and data warehousing concepts to data and dimensional modeling and design of simple relational databases and data warehouses. There are 6 assignments worth 20 points, or about 3 points each, which is significantly more than assessments but less than the case and the exams. The case, worth 10 points, will involve a moderately complex business scenario for which the groups are going to have to use the database and data warehousing knowledge and skills to design and implement a solution that will add value to the organization. The primary objective of an exam is to measure the understanding of database concepts and skills learned in class, and students are expected to work through the exam completely on their own. Unlike assessments and homework assignments, as well as the case obviously, where discussion and collaboration is encouraged, exams are exclusively a product of your own work. The 3 exams are worth 60 points, 20 points each, with midterms scheduled during 2 of our regular classes and final during the last class period. Start by emailing me and continue with the discussion board in Moodle since it's monitored both by me and frequented by other students with similar problems. Make sure to copy-paste your script or diagram and any error messages you're getting when emailing me or posting to the board. If the problem is not resolved through email, on the discussion board, or by collaborating with your classmates, please come and see me during office hours. For any technical, especially hardware-related issues, please contact tech support since I'm not equipped to deal with these problems. This is a basic to intermediate database and data warehousing class. So if you come to class prepared and ready to work, you will do well. The key to earning a good grade is coming to class, completing assessments and assignments, as well as the group project on time, and getting ready for exams by practicing extensively. If you need help, you have to ask. Ask me, ask your fellow students for help. Finally, do your work with honesty and integrity. It will benefit you immensely in your future endeavors.